What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another episode of Sunday Sense today. We're back in the groove, back in Vegas, and today I think it's going to be a project day. There's a couple of projects that we're all working on. I've got this V7 in the cave that's been kicking my butt all week. Ken's got another V7 in the cave, and actually Jack has a V7 in the cave, so stay tuned. This is going to be a fun episode. Let's do it. Yes, dude. Yeah, dude. You need a new project now.
That wasn't bad.
Yeah, like once you get past the horn, you're good.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, the whole pink tag. Trying to make it my second of the day. I don't even know the name of the holds, like. Alright. This is the move that I'm struggling with. Just a quick move to the left. Then it's a foot switch. And up. Starts really nice and easy. This side. God. Yeah, that was better. Yeah, and it is just a matter of just like really pinching it down, isn't it? I feel like I always, when I see that hold, I just in my head it's like a sloper, so I don't force it down like that. I'm always like treating it like a sloper more. Right, starts nice and simple actually. You can just get your right hand here. This is really nice and comfortable. Everything seems to be going great until you get here. This is pretty tough. Okay, it's not over yet though. Cause you got this. That was good. Felt good. Thanks, man. Good, man. Yeah, felt good. Got out of breath halfway through.
There is a yellow tag V7 in the cave that I was working all week, and it's pretty chill going up to it. The starts holds are good. You go to two kind of bad holds, go upright, and then you cradle the baby, go to a pinch, go left to an okay crimp, and then going right is the next hard move. There's different ways to do it. I go just as a jump. The only problem is that crimp is it's pretty bad. It's like half a pad big, and it's better on the bottom. So as soon as I catch it, I usually have to readjust. And then I've been doing some different ways to figure it out, and I think the back flag is going to be the way to go for me. I tried it the other day, felt really good going into the left pinch, and after that I haven't felt the holds, but they look pretty good. So let's just give it a burn. So this is Greg here in the orange shirt, and Greg is one of these OG old school climbers from the 90s. Him and I climb during our lunch hour pretty much every day. As soon as Jack gets out of the way, we could see him on my project here. But he's kind of an inspiration to me because he's nearing 50 years old and he's still crushing every day. Let's check out his beta here at the top. Sick. So he does kind of a drop knee on that left hold, but I'm a little too tall for this beta. I get too scrunched up. So on this attempt, the boys were telling me I could maybe skip the pinch, and I'm gonna try and just jump for it on this one, jump straight to the left. All right, I think we're almost there. There was a swing that I couldn't really control, but now that I know there's a swing, I'm gonna have to go up a little more statically if I can. The left hand feels really good though, and then after that it's top out. Can't leave here until I send.
Come on, come on. Yeah.
Come on, Ian.
It's over, it's over.
Yes, dude. That was your project, Ian?
I already did that before.
No, start over. Yo, that was your project, Ian?
Yeah, today.
Dude, and you sent it.
Yeah.
That was sick, man.
Thank you, man.
Dude, you just sent a yellow?
Yeah.
Holy
My first
man,
yellow
dude.
in.
Was that your project?
Yeah.
Dude, that's amazing. I guess we're all sending projects today, dude.
Fuck, dude. Yeah, for sure. It starts on this little pinch with the right hand, or well, for me, so, and this undercling. And then you go left hand into the finger pocket. You move your feet up. Then you come over right hand to this. And I'm doing like kind of a grab this undercling in a jump motion to these two crimps. Yeah, and then once I'm on these crimps, I get a high left foot. Kind of bump up to this pinch, and then from there I'm stuck. So.
But you got the beginning down?
Not super down, like it's pretty low percentage for the jump. I'm still figuring it out, but. Different because I think the intended beta is you can get your right hand here and then walk your feet up and then cross into this.
That's so hard.
Yeah, and that's like what I think Christian was doing, but whenever Eric was telling me that, I was like, yeah, it sounds like a Christian move.
Getting a little bit discouraged with that jump beta. That last go really kind of hurt my hands there. I popped right off that left hand hold. So I may give the back flag beta that I was initially trying one more go. and then I think it's time to get out of here. But projecting is super fun. Like once you memorize the route, it becomes a matter of like executing what you already have in your head. Just got to be strong at the top. So I'm gonna give it a rest, try the back flag beta one more time, and if I don't send today, I'll surely send during the week.
Go, Miguel. You got it. Sink, 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 sink.
Alright, I'm pretty disappointed that I couldn't send my project today, but we got a lot of other good sends today. The crew did some good V7s, Kaz got a really good V6 send. But if you liked this, don't forget to click like and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for more. We're gonna keep rocking this every Sunday. Peace.